Okay, here's a 97 Mercury Tracer. It's a LS model, 4-door, and you can see he's pretty tall, but it's 5-speed. It's got the original clutch in it from the day one it was built. Never had to replace it. Don't slip or anything. And I find out it's a Toyota transmission, so that would explain why the clutch is still good. Okay, you want to film anything in there, John? The interior? It's pretty dirty. We never cleaned it up. My wife used it for work, and you know, she spilled coffee and stuff. But that was a reliable car. But you see the white stuff down below on the carpeting? Right down there. Let me zoom in. That's the salt, because we live in the salt belt, and that's what killed this car. Well, it's been sitting. We're going to sell it to junk man, or somebody who wants it for parts. But what happened is right here, that tire's flat. We got to put air in it. Right down here, there's a link, suspension link. I think it's I don't know what they call it, stabilizer bar or whatever. That is, if you hit a pothole with this tire, that whole this side of whole rear end will just fall off the car. Plus, the brake line's rusted out.
And the gas
in the back, and the gas lines rusted out because they're leaking. And that was it. I mean, I would have repaired them, but when this is so badly rusted, I ain't gonna trust it. It's too dangerous. So what are you gonna do? Oh, let me go around the car first, Johnny. You see the rust? It's a shame. You see, it's been sitting for a long time. Like I said, it's not no big. I mean, it's not no beauty, but we got 36 miles to the gallon, and we live so far out here that it really helped out. And you can see that the rust has just kicked his butt. Same side with this, that's truck bar. Otherwise, the engine runs like brand new. The idle's beautiful, never gave us any problem. Original engine, original transmission, never had to do any work to it major. I put, this would be the third timing belt if I would have kept it to put in there. It would have been the third time to change the timing belt. So you want to pop the hood now, Johnny. Don't forget to push in, yep. Come in here, we get a picture of the original motor. What'd this say, 350,000 miles? What did it say on it, Johnny? I forgot. I know it's on the video, but
339,923.
339,000 miles. Never put, well, we did put rear shocks and springs on it because years ago it broke a rear coil spring. But other than that, these front struts are original. And don't mind all the pine needles that were sitting under the pine tree, but that's it. Everything's original on this thing. And boy, you know what? Putting a timing belt on this was real easy. You know what really sucks? We just bought that battery about, what, 6 months before the lines went out. So that's a brand new $90 battery, but it won't fit in the other car we got. It's a specialty size. Let me go over here, Johnny. The timing belt was really easy to replace on this thing. But yeah, original alternator, all original. The only thing we had to replace under here was that brake master cylinder. That's it. Do you remember anything else?
I don't know that one.
Plus, you know, serpentine belt, we replaced that.
It's all the usual stuff that you have to replace.
Yeah, and the gasket on the oil cover was leaking, so I replaced that. Yeah, I don't, I was always going to replace that windshield washer cracked cover. Never did. That's been like that. We bought this in 2004. I think it had 140,000 miles on it. But yeah, the rust killed it. The rust killed it. Okay, you can close it, Johnny. Okay. Now we'll go to the trunk. Shifts like a dream. On the shift linkage, I had to replace the plastic bushings that finally wore out. That wasn't fun, but the spiders are making a nest. Let's see the rust. Yeah, she's got a huge trunk. And of course, the seats flip down. The suites, you see the little buttons in there on each side? You push that button, that seat falls forward, and now you can put stuff way back in there, so you had plenty of room in this little car. Some people hate these little cars. This is the more luxurious model from the Ford Tracer, but so it's basically the same damn car. But I got no complaints. Let's It's been a good car. Tracer LS. Okay, what do you think, Johnny?
Yeah, well, it's a good car.
It was real reliable. We got to put air in that tire, but now we can call the junk man and get rid of her. Well, we got rid of our little Tracer. It's September 30th, 2022. That was a good little car. It's a shame. Sold it to a junk man, you know, because there's so much rust on it. It wouldn't be safe for trying to sell it to a private party. There he goes. I didn't think there was anything under there safe to hook a tow rope to. Oh, you must still have the emergency brake on. Funny thing is, this salvage yard is only about a mile from my house. Real close. There she goes. We had her since 2006, and she's going down the road. That right? She's going down the road there. I'll tell you right now.